Hey everyone, it's me, some pony else again. Here I am on Scratch this time. Have you ever seen me on Scratch? Well, on this channel. No, you haven't actually. No. Uh, oh, I got a message. I better check it. I believe. Oh, that's from my buddy Volcano Cats. Okay, I'll just reply yeah because okay. So what we're gonna okay, first let's watch this animation from my buddy. It's pretty good. Okay, now let's get back to the subject, people. Back to the subject. So, well, here we are at the Scratch editor site. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to use Scratch to make your own animations, like I do. Now, let's drag this. Yeah. Now I'll just upload my OC. Firebolt's his name. And you probably know that, but so what? Now, so I don't really know what to do now. Well, what I do know now is that you stop. Wait, no, that's too small. Let's change the width a bit. So here we have that, and I'm gonna go make it get a bit bigger in the next costume. Duplicate that costume, bigger. Now it's starting to get a little thick, so I'm just gonna delete that and replace it with this. And then finally, I'm gonna fill this costume with color. Now, I'm gonna you need this script to animate smooth, and and this script to start off your animations, because this one sets it to the first costume, and it makes it go to this position, and it makes it appear. So let's start by changing this number to 6. See? Cool, right? Well, probably not. You guys probably done better, including all you guys that go on this website now. So I guess I'm just gonna do a Scratch project review now. Yeah, let's do that. So let's try Super Cat Pancake Pandemonium. Now this is a sneak peek of one of my projects that aren't finished, so check it out. Yep, that's it. Cool, right? Now, if you look over here, here is my profile. Now, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Let's review other people's projects now. Nah, probably not. I'm not going to. Oh well. Now you know who you are if you did this project, this project, this project, this project, and this project. But, meh, who cares? Anyway, so I guess we're on Scratch, so we should do something. What? No. Oh. I have no idea what just happened, but I don't really care either. Oh, another project I'll show you. It is finished. It's just a little. I'll give credit to. Now, this is a song by the Odd Ones Out that someone on Scratch hosted a map for, and here it is. Here's my part. No, that's a few of them. Now, let's try this one. I made it just a few days ago, and I'm pretty proud of it. It's a pretty good one, pretty random, and yeah, that's WFH, and now I'm gonna have to give credit to him as well. Oh well, anyway. So let's check this one out now. Random. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. So, how much? Yeah, we have a few minutes. The limit on the screen recorder is 15 minutes. So there's oh, maybe we'll save that for another review. In fact, okay, okay. Everyone, shut up and look at this video and look at this project, and then we'll stop. I'm sorry, unless you're getting tired of my annoying voice and me talking forever. Anyway, I love the internet. Bye.